Now input, sorry, we have to check x equals to square root of 2 or not. That's what the question, not 0. So true or false, x equals to square root of 2. So up till now, see here, we are here, x, then x square equals to 2x plus 1. Now what we do, we'll input the value of x as square root of 2. So it becomes root 2 square means 2 minus 2 root 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus root 2, right, if you input in this. So is this equal to root 2? No. So the statement is false. Next, a line segment AB of length 2 meters is divided at C in two parts such that AC square equals to AB into CB. Then the length of the part CB is 3 plus square root of 5. Is it true or false? So what are the two conditions given? AB is divided by C into two parts such that AC square equals to AB square into CB. Okay, and CB is given as 3 plus square root of 5. This is what we have to check actually. So let's say BC equals to x, therefore AC will be equals to what? 2 minus x, right? Now check the condition, 2 minus x the whole square AC square equals to AB into CB, right? So AB into CB is, okay, let's solve this only. So 2 minus x the whole square equals to 4 minus 4x plus x square. This is left hand side. Now right hand side, AB into CB. So AB is what? 2 and CB is what? X we have taken. So 2x. Therefore, is 2 minus x the whole square means this equals to 2x? No. That's why this statement is again false. Next, every quadratic equation can have at most 2 real roots. That's true. Why? Because quadratic means 2 and real means not containing the imaginary number means I. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.